Hi, my name is Salome. This is English B2, Task 4, Speaking Assignment. What are we going to talk about? Modern technology and its implications on environment. As human beings, we like things to be easy and comfortable, so we have invented a lot of different technologies to make that happen. But with time, we have paid a big price for this. This beautiful place named Earth has been exploded in service of technology, the land resources. We can see how big industries with their continuing engines produce weapons, computers, cell phones, and all kind of technology that not only pollutes our planet, but also disconnect the people to be able to see what they are doing. For example, people think it's normal see the seas that are full of garbage, the air polluted, the water in general is being contaminated because of technological garbage. I think we can see this reflected on this new era of a society that doesn't have a purpose, a community purpose, and only think of the well-being of themselves and not of the well-being of everyone. Because of technology, we can see out of the screen and be aware of the damage and almost irreparable destruction we have called upon us. I think that if current trends of technology and their manifestation on Earth continue the same as now, we will have a dying planet in a state that would be too difficult to amend. So this is why I put this image with the dad or the mom giving the earth to the little one, because I think that our unconscious acts are really affecting little ones, because they are learning how to relate to the earth and to all the beautiful things she gives to us, and they will reproduce the same kind of management and the same kind of treatment we gave to her. So the only way we can really start doing something for the earth is teaching them how to take care of the land. Because if we don't take care of our home, it means we don't take care of us either. So it's important for us as parents to teach little ones to take care of themselves, to be able to take care of the earth. They are the most present solution to be able to regain that steps. So this is why I say this, what can be done, and I put this hands of this woman with a little pen growing, because I think that it's in our hands totally, the responsibility and the possibility to do something with Earth. We can start for taking care now of not polluting anymore, and cleaning the trash, trying to understand a little bit why does this all had happened, and in that way try to make something different to be able to offer a different future to our new generation. We have to try to be more and more conscious about our relationship with ourselves and with the land, and like that be able to make others understand too the influence and the importance they have in the management of our home, the planet Earth. We could use all the big scientific and all the money that we make in studies to see how we can make richer some of the big industries and some of the big people of the planet, and see how we can redirect all that money and that energy to find possible solutions. The most important to see is that we all have the chance to make something positive for the earth, and to analyze what relationship we have with technology, giving thanks for all the things it gives to us, but regaining our inner purpose to take care of our home, our land, and to see and to know that the only possibility for Mother Earth is that we give a different kind of view to her, a different a different openness in this new moment of our lives, to be able to know that the change and the possibilities only reside in us, and that our relationship with Earth is a direct translation from our relationship with our family and with ourselves. So with this, I hope everyone liked the video, and I really hope that everyone can take an insight and really put the hand in your heart and to try to make things different now. Thank you.